Hi, my name is Abigail, and I'm going to show you the work for this Sbac question. The problem is, Clary states, when you multiply a two-digit whole number by another two-digit whole number, the product is a four-digit whole number. Her statement is not always true. Which statement will always be true? So one thing that you want to do in any problem is you want to actually read the question, because in most questions they're a trick problem. So it says it's not always true. So you really want to read that. It says it's not always true. So maybe if it works for some numbers but not others, then it doesn't work. So let's read number 1. When you multiply a two-digit whole number less than 59, okay, let's go over that part. When you multiply a two-digit whole number, so we know what we're doing, we're multiplying. And it's a two-digit number, so it's 2 digits. It can't be 9, 8, 7, or 6, or below that. It has to be 10 or up. And it's a whole number, so there are no decimals in it. It has to be less than 59. Numbers go on forever, so what you want to do is, it says, here's another trick, it says less than. So what that means is it has to be less than 59, and you want to go with the lowest number you can, which is 10, because it's two-digit and it's a whole number, and it can't go lower than 10, so you want to do the lowest one. So it's less than 10. You want to do that by another two-digit whole number less than 59, which we're going to do 10. So, and then it says the product will be a four-digit whole number. Well, let's do that out. It says, so we're going to do a 10 times 10, which is 100. And what is 100, guys? 100 is a three-digit number. It says it has to be a four-digit whole number, so that one doesn't work. Do you see why A doesn't work? It says it has to be a four-digit whole number. 100 is a whole number, but it's not 4 digits. 100 is only 3 digits, so let's look at B. When you multiply a two-digit whole number, so we have that again, less than, we have that again, 98. Okay, let's break down that part. A two-digit whole number, we already talked about that. It's less than, and look here, this is a trick. It's really 10 again. This is basically the same problem as A, if you look closely. It's really the same problem because 59 and 98, they're both saying it's a two-digit whole number, it's less than, and really all it's saying is it's 59 and 98. They're basically the same thing because you want to go by the least amount that you can go by, and that's 10 for both of them. Because they both have to be a two-digit whole number, you want to go by at least one. And 10 is both under 98 and 59. So it's really the same problem. You really don't have to do it out, but let's read the rest in case the number changes. When you multiply a two-digit whole number less than 98, we decided it's 10, by another two-digit whole number less than 98, that's going to be 10, the product is a four-digit whole number. It's the same problem, so we really don't have to do it out. So that saves you a lot of time. So it's not going to be B. Let's look at C. When you multiply a two-digit whole number, okay, we know that by now, greater than, there's that trick. Look here. It says everything's the same up to here, but look, less than, less than. This says greater than. This might have tricked you. It probably tricks a lot of people. What it is it says it's greater than 25. And numbers go on forever. They never stop. So you probably said, oh, we should do 25. 25 would be equal to. You can't do 25. You have to do 26 because that's the next number from 25. You can't do 20 because that's the next number from 25. You can't do 25 though because it's the same, and it doesn't say greater than or equal to. It says greater than. So that's why it has to be 26. Okay, let's read the rest. When you multiply a two-digit whole number greater than 26, by another two-digit whole number greater than 25, we're going to use 26, the product is a four-digit whole number. Okay, so let's do that out. Over here, it says 25 and 25, but we're using 26 and 26. So this is 26 times 26. Let's break that down. 20 and 6, and 20 and 6. 20 times 20 is 40. Sorry, it's actually 400. And in this box, it's 120. In this box, it's 37.
6.
Sorry, 6. It's 36. And in this box, it's going to be 120 as well. Sorry, I've never done this kind of chart before, so that's why. Now we're going to add them up. So we got 676. Well, let's look back here. It says when you multiply a two-digit whole number greater than 25 by another two-digit whole number greater than 25, the product is a four-digit whole number. Well, here we figure out it's 676, and that's not four-digit, that's three digits. So C does not work. Now let's look at D. When you multiply a two-digit whole number greater than 31, remember, it says greater than. So less than, we figured out that's going to be 10. This is greater than, and it's a two-digit whole number still. And greater than 31, so that means it's going to be 32. That's where we're using 32. We can't use 31 because it doesn't say greater than and equal to. It just says greater than. And numbers go on forever, so we're going to use 32. Okay, so 32. By another two-digit whole number greater than 31, 32. The product is a four-digit whole number. Let's do this out. Well, we're breaking this down, so it's 30 plus 2. And 30 and 2. So over here we have 900. Here we have 60. Over here we have 4. And over here we have 60. So now we're going to add them up. Before we even add this up, what inference can you make about this? We have 900. Well, you only need a few more numbers to make it higher than a three-digit number. And we have 60 and 60 and 4. So think about it in your head right now before I go on about if it's going to be a four-digit number or a 3. Okay, So let's add this up. This is 4. This is 12. And this is 10. Look at that. It's 4 numbers. So let's look back here. When you multiply a 2-digit whole number greater than 31, 32, by another whole digit number greater than 31, we're used to 32, the product is a 4-digit whole number. Let's look here. 1,024. That's a 4-digit number. So that's it. Your answer is D.
Very good.